Hey everybody, it's Cindy from Family Health and Nutrition with this week's featured meal. It actually is my son's lunch. I get a lot of requests for ideas on lunches for toddlers from 1 to 3-year-olds. My son is a year and a half, and it is a struggle to get him to eat certain things. He also has some stomach issues, so we have to be careful with what we give him. He loves either Annie's mac and cheese with a little bit of broccoli and carrots steamed in that. He loves that for lunches. Or I've also started giving him whole grain pasta. Today I have spaghetti with a little organic pasta sauce. The Muir Glen is actually on sale this week at Kroger. And I either buy the Earth's Best or the Gerber Organic Baby Food. This is mixed vegetable. And I actually add a little bit of it into his organic pasta sauce. I got the garden vegetable. That gives him 2 to 3 servings of vegetables for his lunch, along with some whole grains. I also give him either some milk to drink or a little bit of yogurt for his dairy. Remember, they need whole milk up until age 2. So this he can eat. I cut up the spaghetti into small bite-sized pieces. He can eat that with his spoon or fork. He loves it. Gets him the nutrients he needs. And it's a great idea for the little ones. Now just remember, they definitely need a bib when eating this meal. Talk to you next week.